everyone. Welcome back to Easyflow English. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Today we have a super useful topic for you.
That's right. Today we're talking about travel English. How to speak at airports, on trains, in taxis, all of it.
Perfect for your next trip. So, Mike, let's start with the airport. What's the first thing you need to say?
Good question. When you arrive at the airport, you go to check-in. You can say, "Hello, I'd like to check in, please."
Simple, and the staff will ask, "Can I see your passport and ticket?"
Yes, you give them your documents and say, "Here you are."
Very polite. Now they might ask, "How many bags are you checking?"
Checking bags means the bags that go under the plane. You can answer, "I'm checking one bag," or "I'm checking two bags."
What if you only have carry-on? That's the small bag you take with you.
Good point. You say, "I only have carry-on," or "no checked bags, just carry-on."
Perfect. Now let's practice some questions you might ask. Mike, how do I ask where my gate is?
Excuse me, where is gate B12? Or which way to gate B12?
And if you're lost?
Just ask, "Can you help me find gate B12? People are usually very helpful.
That's true. Now, what about asking for directions inside the airport?
Great question. You can say, "Where is the bathroom?" or "Where are the restrooms?" Both are correct.
And if you're hungry, where can I find food? Or is there a restaurant nearby?
Exactly. Now, Sarah, let's talk about small talk. When you're waiting at the gate, someone might talk to you.
Yes, they might say, "Where are you traveling to?"
"I'm going to Tokyo," or "I'm flying to Paris." Very simple.
How about you? Or where are you going?
Nice. They might also ask, "Is this your first time?"
Yes, it's my first time. Or, no, I've been there before.
Good. Now let's move to the airplane. When you board, you need to find your seat.
Excuse me, where is seat 24A?
I think this is my seat. Can you check your ticket?
Very polite. Now, during the flight, you might need something. How do you ask?
Excuse me, can I have some water, please?
Or, could I get a blanket, please?
Always say please and thank you. It's very important.
Absolutely. Now, Mike, what about trains and buses?
Good. At the train station, you need to buy a ticket. Go to the counter and say, "One ticket to Boston, please."
One way or round trip?
One way means you only go there. Round trip means you go and come back.
One way, please. Or round trip, please.
Exactly. They'll also ask, "What time would you like to travel?"
The next available train. Or the 3 p.m. train, please.
Does this train go to Boston?
Or is this the right platform for Boston?
Yes. And when the train arrives, you can ask, "Is this seat taken?"
If someone is sitting there, they'll say, "Yes, sorry," or "No, it's free. Please sit down."
Great. Now let's talk about taxis and ride shares like Uber.
When you get in a taxi, first say hello, then say, "Can you take me to the Grand Hotel, please?"
Can you take me to 123 Main Street?
The driver might ask, "Do you know the way?" Or "Do you have a preferred route?"
No, you choose. Or, "Whatever is fastest, please."
Good. Now, what if you're in a hurry?
I'm in a hurry. What's the fastest way?
Or, "I need to be there by 3 o'clock. Is that possible?"
Nice. And during the ride, you can make small talk. The driver might say, "First time in this city?"
Yes, first time. Or, "No, I've been here before."
They might ask, "Where are you from?"
"I'm from Brazil." Or, "I'm from China."
And you can ask them, "Have you been driving long?" or "Do you like this job?"
Good small talk. Now, when you arrive, how do you pay?
How much is it? Or what do I owe you?
They'll tell you the price and then say, "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you take credit cards?"
If you pay cash, you might say, keep the change if you want to tip.
Very generous. Now, let's talk about the subway or metro.
Excuse me, how do I buy a ticket?
Or, "Can you help me with this machine?"
People are usually happy to help. Then ask, which line goes to downtown?
Or, "Do I need to transfer?" Transfer means change to another train.
Good question. They'll say, yes, transfer at Central Station, or no, it's direct.
Perfect. When you're on the subway, you can ask, "How many stops to Main Street?"
Or, can you tell me when we reach Main Street?
People will help you. Now, one more important phrase.
Yes, if you're lost, I'm lost. Can you help me?
Don't be shy. Everyone gets lost sometimes.
Exactly. And remember, speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes.
So true. Let's review quickly. At the airport, "I'd like to check in, please."
Can I have some water, please?
"One ticket to Boston, please."
Can you take me to the Grand Hotel?
"Which line goes to downtown?"
And everywhere, be polite. Say please and thank you.
Perfect. You're ready to travel now.
Before we finish, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Easyflow English.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and share this with your friends and family who are learning English.
Don't forget to like this video too. It really helps us.
Now, here's our question of the day. What's your favorite way to travel? Plane, train, bus, or car?
Tell us in the comments below. We want to hear from you.
And tell us, where do you want to travel next?
Great question. Okay, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing. Keep learning.
And remember, English can be easy when it flows naturally.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.